So the first thing we'll be needing for this tutorial is to have NodeJs and npm installed um on your computer. So Node.js provides the necessary environment for running JavaScript tools outside the browser, while npm on the other side allows developer to manage the various libraries and tools required for React for React development. Yes, so they both form a backbone for modern JavaScript and React workflows, which makes it easier to develop, to test, and deploy applications. Yes, so if you are using a Windows computer, all you need to do is head over to your browser and type nodejs.org. As you can see here, nodejs.org. Then you download this. You see LTS, which means long-term support. You go ahead and download this. After you are done downloading, you try to install the software. You install the Node.js software. Once you are done installing the Node.js software, automatically you have npm installed. So you have to confirm that you have Node.js and npm installed on your browser, on your computer. Yes, so you have to confirm you have Node.js installed on your computer. So by doing that, we can head over to our terminal. We can use your code editor. In my case, I'm using VS Code. So I would say node -v. That's to confirm that you have Node.js installed on your computer. You hit enter, and yes, you can see the version of Node.js installed on my computer. And to confirm that we have npm installed, we do the same thing for npm. We say npm dash dash v. Yes, we can see I also have npm installed, and that is the version on my computer. For this course, we'll be using vite to set up our project instead of create React app, because vite is a lot faster, and with vite we can set up our project environment without stress. So the first thing to do is to head over here and say npm create vite at latest. Then you hit enter. Okay, so vite is asking for our project name. We can just say React crash course. Yes, React crash course. So we have options to select these libraries. Obviously, we have to select React because we are working with React. Then we have to choose between TypeScript, React. Obviously, we are working with JavaScript, plain.js. So JavaScript. Then we have to follow these instructions on the screen. We have to cd into our React crash course, then install our dependencies with npm install. Then we run the project with npm run dev. Crash course. Yes, so npm install. We have to wait while our project dependencies are being installed. Okay, so our project dependencies are all installed. So before running our local server, we have to, let's head over here and open our project folder, the one we just created. Yes, this is it. In our case, it is React Crash Course. You click on it and select folder. Here is our project. We can see React Crash Course. Here is our project files. We can see the source folder, the public folder, and our node modules, the dependencies for our project. So to run our local server, we have to open up our terminal again. Then we type npm run dev. This is for running our local server. Let's see, npm run dev. Once that is completed, we should see something like this. You come over here, you copy this link. You come over here, copy this link. Sorry. Yes, then you head over to your browser, paste it in your browser. Yes, so we now have React installed. We have our project set up using vite.